Installing a theme. Now that you have a WordPress site installed, what you can see, your blog comes with a default theme installed. So in today's lesson, we'll be showing you how to change your WordPress theme into a desired one. Again, what we see here now is the default theme, and this is how it looks like now. However, we definitely want to change it so that it doesn't look like every other WordPress site out there, right? So, what we're going to do is over here where it says Appearance, click on Themes, and then click on Add New. In order to install a good-looking theme, you would most probably have to buy one in Envato.com. It is a marketplace for WordPress themes and plugins. However, you can always pick one up for free. For example, you can see you can pick one of these here. So, what you do is just click on Preview, and if you like the theme, just click to install it. By the way, all of these themes are free versions. Then, click on Activate, and just like that, when we come over here, we refresh our blog and see it already has a different theme. Now, if we want to use a theme that we've purchased, which is always going to be the safer bet, this way you won't have to worry whether people will hack your site because you will have a pro version, right? Then we click on Upload Theme. Next, click on Browse, and in this case, the theme we're going to use for demonstration purposes is called Mindful. It's in a zip file, so I can click on that and then click Open and Install Now, and then Activate. Next, we simply come over here and we refresh the page. As you can see now, it has the new theme in there. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install a theme on WordPress. Installing a plugin. A plugin is a piece of software containing a group of functions that can be added to a WordPress website. They can extend functionality or add new features to your WordPress. So, what we're going to do next is we're going to come over here in our dashboard, and you'll see right here under Plugins a button called Add New. So we click on that. Our next step is either search for an existing plugin in the WordPress directory, or we can upload our own plugin. For example, if you've bought one from a marketplace like Envato.com, you can then upload it here. So, in this case, we'll click Search Plugins and we're going to install WP Hide Post Plugin. We simply type that name here and then we hit Enter. When you'll see the results that come up, all you have to do is simply click on Install Now and hit OK. Then, once the plugin is installed, it will ask you to activate it. So, we activate it, and now you can see that this plugin is installed. But, let's assume you've already purchased your own plugin and want to install that. In this case, we would click on Upload Plugin, and we'd click Browse, and then we would search for that plugin our files. Then we click on Open and Install Now. Once that's done, we click on Activate Plugin. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install a plugin on WordPress. Remember, WordPress plugin is something that adds new functionality to your WordPress site or extends existing functionality on your site. No matter what kind of site you're running or what niche it belongs to, there are certain plugins that you'll want to install. For example, you can install Yoast SEO. This is by far the most popular SEO plugin in the WordPress landscape. Not only can Yoast SEO help you improve your SEO, it can even analyze your content's readability. So, definitely find that one and install it right away in the same way we've installed demonstrative plugins here.